Okay guys, today we're gonna take a look at a very important feature of Android that will actually step up your privacy settings to the next level. And what it does is that it will block the gyroscope sensors, camera, and microphone, and probably a few more sensors from being accessed from other apps unless you are willing to do it yourself. And this is this one here that blocks all the sensors. How do we do this one? Let's go to settings. You know, the usual stuff. After the settings, you go to developer options. Assuming you know how to do developer options, you click developer options and you go down and you find this quick settings developer tiles. Most of the Androids today have it. Click on it and here you have a list of things that you can do. You can do wireless debugging, sensors off, windscope trace, and all that. When you click the sensors off, right now, for example, if I pull this down, you don't see it here on top, right? But if I turn it on as such, you'll see it here on top. And right now, if I try to use my camera, for example, let's go to camera. As you see, security policy prevents use of camera. And this is something very beautiful. And it blocks even your body sensors and all that stuff that a lot of apps will actually keep track without your permission. And that is not cool. That is not cool at all. So go on your Samsung or whatever Android device you have, developer options, and go to quick settings, developer tiles. And it's right on the beginning. You go to this part here before you get to the debugging and click it and enable the sensors off. And when you enable this one, again, it will be here on top drawer. And if you want to reactivate your camera and microphone and body sensors and tracking sensors and all that, you just pull the drawer down and you click this one here. And now you are ready to go. In my phone, as you see, I have them deactivated manually, but assuming you have them like this in your end, it will unblock your microphone and camera and all other sensors by itself. So I want to block them again. Click this button right here, and now no app has access to those sensors and those cameras and microphones and whatnot. So take your privacy to the next level and protect yourself from unwanted use of your device from other companies or apps. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and unfortunately I don't have the same feature for Apple users, so you just gotta bear with it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!